Hi children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, so completed full lesson or poem you have completed. So let's start with the next lesson now. Next lesson, what is your next lesson? You all take out page number 21. Page number 21. Take out page number 21, all of you. The next lesson is the incomplete trip. It is a very nice lesson of 3 people, I'll tell you, and you will understand it. The lesson's name is the incomplete trip. What is the meaning of incomplete? First tell me what is the meaning of incomplete. Can anybody tell me what's the meaning of incomplete? Complete is what you have done fully. What you have done fully. What is finished perfectly. What is incomplete? Incomplete is the thing which is not completed. You have not finished it fully. You have not finished it fully. That is incomplete. So trip. What is trip? When we go from one place to another, we plan for a holiday or we go somewhere in the holidays. The plan when we leave our house for few days and go somewhere and we plan for going there and coming back, that is called a trip. That is called a trip. So here we are going to study in this lesson where they have planned for a trip but that is not completed. It is incomplete. The incomplete trip. It's very nice lesson. All of you will take out fast page number 21. Page number 21. First you see there are 4 pictures given. There are 4 pictures given. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 pictures given in your book. 1, 2, 3 and 4. You have to name them. You have to name them. What season is it? Look into the first one. First one where flowers are there, flowers are blooming and all. It's looking. What season it is? It is spring. You have in the dash you have to write. What is the spelling of spring? S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. The first season is spring. The first season is spring. The second one. Sun is shining brightly. In which season sun is shining brightly? All of you know. It is summer. It is summer. What is the spelling of summer? S-U-M-M-E-R. What is you have to write there? S-U-M-M-E-R. Then next is where the leaves are falling. That is autumn. That is autumn. And what is the spelling of autumn? A-U-T-U-M-N. Right there. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. A-U-T-U-M-N. And the next one where the snow is falling, that is coming season. This month is November. So now this season is coming. Which is this season? Winter season. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. When we celebrate Christmas also. Last poem we have done. So what is the spelling of winter? W-I-N-T-E-R. So you have to write this in your books and let's start with the lesson fast. See, in the first picture, once there were 3 friends. In the picture you can see, once there were 3 friends. They were Koki the crane, Golu the frog and Matku the crab. See here, Koki the crane, Matku the crab, and next is Golu the frog. Golu the frog. There were 3 friends. Koki was the crane and Golu was the frog and Matku was the crab. These 3 were friends. Every evening they played near the pond. They had fun together. You also play with your friends now. These 3 of them also, they were playing with their friends, every evening they used to play. Where they used to play? Near the pond. Near the pond. You can see in this picture, they are playing near the pond. And they had fun together. When we play together with our friends, we have fun together. Fun means enjoying. Next page, take out page number 21. Yes, one evening they went talking to each other. One evening they were talking to each other. Summer. So one evening what happened? They were talking to each other. All the three friends were talking to each other one evening. Then summer is over. What were they saying? Summer is over. Summer, it was summertime, it is getting over. It is autumn now. Soon there will be winter. So after summer what comes? Autumn season comes. And after autumn, winter will come. I will fly away to the south. Crane is saying, this crane is saying that when the winter will come, I will fly away to the south because it is very cold over here. It will not stay here. Why do you want to go to south in winter? Matku, the frog, was saying. Arey, their friend is going, it is very much worried. Well, why do you want to go to south in the winter? Why you want to go to south? It is very cold here, so I go to warm land every year in the south. So crane says it is very cold and I cannot live in when it is very cold. So when it is cold, every year I go to south. Who is telling this? This crane is telling to Matku, the frog, and that in the winter it is not able to stay here. It goes to south. It goes to south. Koki, can I go with you this time? Koki is saying, Koki the crab is saying, Arey, you will go. Can I also come with you? Can I also come with you? I do not like winter because I also don't like winter. It is very cold. I also want to come with you. It gets so cold that I cannot breathe underwater. It is getting so cold that I am not able to breathe underwater. I also want to come with you to the south. This, who is saying? Koki is saying to. So it is saying, and it also wants to go. Then, sure, you may come with me, but be ready to leave by the end of autumn. So crane is saying, yes, you can come, but as soon as winter starts, autumn is getting end, I will be going. So you should pack your things and be ready. If you want to come with me, you can come. You are most welcome to come with me, it is saying. Koki was a kind crane. Koki was very nice crane. It was a very nice crane. She did not want to say no to her friends. Anything, if anybody used to ask, she used to not say no. She never wanted, anybody says anything, she says yes. I want to come, you come. You want to come, you also come. This is it was very kind person. Koki crane was a very kind person. Hey, do not leave me and go. Let me too join you. Now the crab said, I am coming. Now the frog is saying, you both are going, even I want to come. Why should I stay alone? So it says, Koki, I am not going to stay alone. Frog also wants to come. Matku also want to go with Golu and all the three friends wanted to go. Why not Golu? You too are welcome. Golu also was welcome. Matku got ready first. Then Golu also was, and Koki was ready to take everyone. Now come to the next page. The wise old fish in the pond heard them. He told Golu and Matku that it was not good idea. The fish they used to talk everything near the pond. The one fish who was very wise. Wise means intelligent. Wise means intelligent. It heard. He told, it is not a good idea. You all are planning to go with the crane, but it is not, you Koki, it is not a good idea. Golu and Matku, you have always spent the winters here. Why do you have to go somewhere else? So he said, Golu and Matku, every year you are staying here in the winter. Every year you are here. Why you want to go to somewhere else this time? It is not a good idea. Who is saying this? The wise fish. The wise fish is saying this. Soon it was autumn. The leaves of the trees turned yellow. Now it was autumn time and the leaves were getting yellow. Then brown and then fell off. In autumn, you know, all the leaves fell. They dry and fell. The wind grew cold and the days became shorter, and winter was coming. In winter, what happened? Days become shorter. Days become shorter and nights become longer. So it was cold air was going started and the days started becoming shorter. It is the time for us to go. Let us pack our bags and meet after a few days. Now Koki said, now it's the time to go. Let us all pack our bags and get ready for going, and we'll meet after few days. Few days मतलब थोड़े दिन के बाद फिर से मिलते हैं. Golu and Matku did not like what wise old fish had said. Golu and Matku, fish said not to go, but Golu and Matku, they did not like what the fish said. What the fish said. Why don't you mind your own business? They said to when the fish said, don't go. So they said, mind your own business. We also say na, when we don't like something, tum apna kaam karo. Like that, mind your own business means tum apna kaam karo. हमारे बारे में चिंता मत करो. So this they said. After Koki left, Matku and Golu began planning. And when Koki left, Koki said, pack your bags. So Matku and Golu, they started planning. Arey, when we go to trip, we also plan. Arey, ye le jayenge, ye karenge, aisa karenge, waisa karenge. We also plan. Now Matku and Golu also started planning what they are going to do while going. It will be a long journey. We should take lot of food. So they said it is a very long journey and we must take lot of food, because in the way we will feel in the train or when we are going, we take lot of things to eat na. We plan ये ले जाएंगे, ऐसा ले जाएंगे, वो करेंगे, ये करेंगे. These people also, they were planning that in the journey they will take lot of food to eat. Lot of food to eat. Good idea, but how will we carry so much of food? It is a very good idea, but how are we going to carry so much of food? So till here, children, this is a very nice story. We'll continue with this story in the next class. About this trip, how the trip is going to continue. Till then, please read page number 21, 22 and 23 for your homework. Please read it very nicely and we'll continue the story in the next class. It is a very interesting story. We'll be back in the next class. Till then, read page number 21, 22 and 23. Okay children, bye, take care and God bless you.